Good morning, students. Let us discuss some problems in multiple submultiple angles. First one, simplify sine 2 theta by 1 plus cos 2 theta. So let us consider sine 2 theta by 1 plus cos 2 theta. So you have sine 2 theta as 2 sine theta cos theta. 1 plus cos 2 theta is 2 cos square theta. You need to read all the problems, all the formulas thoroughly, then you can do these problems. Now you can see 2 cancelled and cos theta also cancelled. So you have sin theta by cos theta, you will get tan theta. That is the result. Now next one, simplify 3 cos theta plus cos 3 theta by 3 sin theta minus sin 3 theta. So you have 3 cos theta plus cos 3 theta can be written as 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta by 3 sin theta minus of sin 3 theta can be written as 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. So 3 cos theta cancelled. So you will be having 4 cos cube theta by 3 sin theta minus 3 sin theta plus 4 sin cube theta. Minus into minus plus. So 3 sin theta is cancelled. So you will get 4 cos cube theta by 4 sin cube theta. 4 cancelled. That will be cot cube theta. That is the required result. You can do these two problems as homework by using the formulas cos square A minus sin square B and sin square A minus sin square B. Now, this is the next problem. Find 6 sin 20 minus 8 sin cube 20. You can take 2 as common. You will get 3 sin 20 minus 4 sin cube 20. Sin cube 20. You have a formula sin 3 theta is equal to 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. So 2 into 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta is sin 3 theta. So you will get sin 3 theta where theta is equal to 20 degrees. So 3 theta will be 60 degrees. So 2 into root 3 by 2, result is root 3. That is the required answer. Now this is the next problem. Express 1 minus cos theta plus sin theta by 1 plus cos theta plus sin theta in terms of tan theta by 2. Now let us consider 1 minus cos theta plus sin theta by 1 plus cos theta plus sin theta. 1 minus cos theta, by using submultiple angles, 1 minus cos theta is 2 sin square theta by 2 plus, and sin theta is 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2 by, and 1 plus cos theta is 2 cos square theta by 2 plus 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Remember, very important point, you need to read all the formulas to do trigonometry. That is very important. So, now you can take 2 sin theta as common. 2 sin theta by 2 as common. You will get sin theta by 2 plus cos theta by 2. Here you have 2 sin theta by 2 as common. In the denominator, 2 cos theta by 2 can be taken as common. You will get cos theta by 2 plus sin theta by 2. So these two are cancelled and you are having sin theta by 2 by cos theta by 2. Since 2 is also cancelled. Now sin theta by 2 by cos theta by 2 gives tan theta by 2. That is the required answer. Next problem, we have to show that cos 3a by 2 cos 2a minus 1 equal to cos a, and deduce the value of cos 15 degrees. Now let us consider cos 3a by 2 cos 2a minus 1. Now cos 3a is 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a by cos 2a. 2 into cos 2a is 2 cos square a minus 1, again minus 1. Cos 3a is 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a, and cos 2a is 2 cos square a minus 1. So now you can take cos a as common here. Cos a into 4 cos square a minus 3 by, you can multiply with 2, you will get 4 cos square a minus 2 minus 1. So cos a into 4 cos square a minus 3 by 4 cos square a minus 3. 4 cos square a minus 3 is cancelled. So the result is cos a. That is what required. We have to show that this result is cos a. And they have asked to deduce the value of cos 15 from this statement. Now let capital A is equal to 15 degrees. Write 15 degrees here. So cos 15 equal to, now there is 3a. 3 into 15 is 45 degrees. So you will get cos 45 degrees by 2 cos 30 degrees minus 1. 2a is 30 degrees, where a is 15 degrees. So cos 45 is 1 by root 2 by 2 into cos 30 is root 3 by 2 minus 1. So 1 by root 2 by 2 cancelled. Sorry. Yes, 2 cancelled. So you will get root 3 minus 1. So 1 by root 2 into root 3 minus 1. That is the result. And you can try this problem as a homework. The next problem is, show that sin 2 alpha by 1 plus cos 2 alpha equal to tan alpha, and adjust the values of tan 15 degrees and tan 22.5 degrees. So let us consider sin 2 alpha by 1 plus cos 2 alpha. You have sin 2 alpha as 2 sin alpha cos alpha. 1 plus cos 2 alpha is 2 cos square alpha. Here 2 cancelled. Cos alpha is cancelled. So sin alpha by cos alpha will be tan alpha. That is the required result. Now you have to find the value of tan 15 degrees. So let capital A is equal to 15 degrees. So tan 15 degrees is equal to, you have to write A or alpha. Here it is given alpha. So tan 15 degrees equals to sin 2 alpha will be 30 degrees by 1 plus cos 30 degrees. You need to write 15 degrees as alpha. Sin 30 degrees is 1 by 2 by 1 plus root 3 by 2. Now 1 by 2 by 2 plus root 3 by 2. LCM is 2. So 2 will be cancelled. So tan 15 degrees is equal to 1 by 2 plus root 3. That is the required answer. Now try this one, tan 22.5 degrees. Another important model. Prove that 1 by sin 10 minus root 3 by cos 10 is equal to 4. Now consider this one. Consider 1 by sin 10 degrees minus root 3 by cos 10 degrees. What is the LCM? Sin 10 degrees into cos 10 degrees. Numerator will be cos 10 degrees minus root 3 into sin 10 degrees. Now you have sin 30 is 1 by 2, cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So let us divide this one with 2. So you can write it as 2 into 1 by 2 cos 10 minus root 3 by 2 sin 10. I have multiplied and divided with 2 by, you have a formula 2 sin A cos A is equal to sin 2A. So for that, here also I am multiplying with 2. So you will get 1 by 2 into 2 sin 10 into cos 10. 2 will be cancelled. Now this 1 by 2 goes to numerator, it will become 4 into, now this 1 by 2 can be written as sin 30 into cos 10 minus cos 30 into sin 10 by, you have 2 sin A cos A, that is sin 2A. So sin 2A, where A is equal to 10 degrees. So 2A will be 20 degrees. Now this is sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Sin A cos B minus cos A sin B is sin of A minus B. So you will get 4 into sin of A minus B, 30 minus 10 by sin 20 degrees. So 4 into sin 20 degrees by sin 20 degrees. You will get 4. Very, very important model. Now see this, you can do this problem as homework, but in this problem you need to write cosecant 20 as 1 by sin 20 and secant 20 as 1 by cos 20. Then you can proceed in this way. Another important problem, given that sin alpha by A is equal to cos alpha by B, then prove that A sin 2 alpha plus B cos 2 alpha is equal to B. Now let us consider sin alpha by A is equal to cos alpha by B. You can write it as B sin alpha is equal to A cos alpha. Now I am multiplying with sin alpha. So B sin square alpha is equal to A sin alpha cos alpha. Even you can multiply with 2 sin alpha. So you can write it like this. Now I have multiplied with 2 sin alpha. So that 2 sin square alpha and 2 sin alpha cos alpha. And so 2 sin alpha cos alpha is sin 2 alpha. And we have a formula cos 2 alpha is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square alpha. So 2 sin square alpha can be written as 1 minus cos 2 alpha. So B into 1 minus cos 2 alpha is equal to A into sin 2 alpha. So B minus B cos 2 alpha is equal to A sin 2 alpha. Therefore, take this term to right hand side, you will get A sin 2 alpha plus B cos 2 alpha is equal to B. That is the required result. Very, very important problem.